Hey, 7th period. Sorry I'm not there today. Y'all are with Mr. Davis, and hopefully y'all are behaving. But don't forget you guys have a test and a notebook check tomorrow. So on this video, I'm going to go through your review sheet and anything else you need to know. It's probably actually going to be a couple of videos because I can only upload a certain size video onto YouTube, but please watch them. If you have questions, I will be here in the morning, or you can come at lunch. But please watch these and take note of any questions that you have, and I'll be happy to help you. So the first thing you had to do was order those steps of circulation in order. So hopefully you didn't just glue that sheet in your notebook because they're not in order. So either you cut them out or you numbered them or something to help you put them in order. So if you see here, I ordered them for you and took a little picture of it. And then I also had the picture from the board on here to kind of help us walk through this. So the first step, remember, is deoxygenated blood goes through your superior and inferior vena cava. So the superior one's at the top and your inferior one's at the bottom. And it's going to bring blood into your right atrium, which is this area right here. So blood travels through your vena cava into your right atrium. So then it passes through your right AV valve into your right ventricle. Okay? Then it's going to go through your pulmonary valve into your pulmonary artery out to your lungs. Okay? So this is what is known as pulmonary circulation. So anytime it's dealing with getting blood to the lungs is pulmonary circulation. So everything that we see here that's blue, that would be a part of pulmonary circulation. So if you're looking at your review sheet, that's the answer to number 15. So vena cava, right atrium, right AV valve, right ventricle, pulmonary valve to the pulmonary artery. So then it goes to the lungs, it's going to drop off carbon dioxide, picks up oxygen, and then it's got to come back to the heart in order to pump it out to the rest of the body. So it's going to enter through your pulmonary vein into your left atrium, passes through your left AV valve, and then it enters your left ventricle, goes through your aortic valve to the aorta, and out to the body. Okay? So everything that we see in red here, that is known as systemic circulation. That means it's trying to get out to the body. Okay, so everything that's in blue is pulmonary circulation, and everything that's red is considered systemic circulation. Okay, so here's the thing, guys. On your review sheet, on number 16, it says be sure that you can list the pathway of blood. This is something that you're going to have to do. So on the test, you don't have to necessarily write it in sentences. You can use arrows, like you could do something like this. You could say, you know, right atrium, and then you could do like a little arrow, and you could say, you know, right AV valve, and you could just do like a series of steps like that using arrows. It doesn't have to be sentences. But you do need to know this, okay? This is kind of a big deal, so you will be writing it out. So be sure that you are familiar with these steps, okay? I'm going to go ahead and just end this video now, and you guys can get yourself glued and organized from this, and then pick up in video 2, and we will start with number 1 on the test review sheet.